Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to design sweatpants in Procreate. I will use our mockup from FUPstudio.com. We have a lot of mockups there, so you can grab the one you like. First, I open Google Drive, download the PNG mockup, and then open Procreate. I create a new canvas, 3000 by 3000 pixels, and insert the photo. I duplicate the layer and set the top one to multiply. On the layer underneath, I drop the base color. Next, I add a new layer, set it as a clipping mask, and with a soft airbrush, I add shadows along the edges to give it a more 3D look. I adjust brightness and saturation and add a little blur to soften it. Now for the drawstrings, I use our brush set. The stamp is dual color, so I pick black for the outline and light color for the fill. On the top sweatpants layer, I erase details that overlap with the drawstrings so they look clean. Time to add branding. I write the name of our company, choose a font, rotate it about 45 degrees, and place it along the side of the pants. Then I duplicate the text and place it on the back side as well. To add extra design, I create a new layer and use a monoline brush to draw some lines. Now let's add a logo. I insert the PNG logo, place it where I want, alpha lock it, and paint it with my chosen color. For the final touch, I create a new clipping mask on top of the drawstrings, set it to multiply, and softly paint over with a darker tone to add depth. And that's it. Sweatpants design is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.